In celebration of the holidays, today we are going to be making this eggnog inspired creme brulee. We're going to be making my silky and creamy creme brulee recipe and infusing it with some warm spices and maple flavors to make this perfect for your holiday dinner. So if you want to learn how to make this super easy creme brulee, keep watching. We are going to begin by making a spiced infusion. You're going to place 510 grams or 2 cups of cream and 181 grams or 240 milliliters of milk into a pot and begin to gently warm the mixture. And once the mixture starts to steam, you're going to add 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 vanilla bean, 1 gram or a quarter teaspoon of cloves, 1 gram or a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg, and 4 grams or 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. Gently bring this to a simmer and then cover your pot and allow this to infuse for 20 minutes. Once the base has infused with our warm spices, we are going to combine 125 grams or half a cup of sugar and 150 grams or 8 large egg yolks in a bowl and whisk this until it is light and pale. Then we are going to bring our milk back to a boil and strain the milk over the egg yolk mixture slowly. Do this in 3 additions and whisk to combine completely after each addition. And now our creme brulee mixture is done. That was so easy, right? Now I'm just going to transfer my custard base into a container that is a little bit easier to pour out of and place our ramekins in a deep oven-safe pan. I prefer to use a pan with handles like this one because it's easier to handle, but you can also use a standard sheet tray. We are going to pour our creme brulee 3/4 up the side of our ramekin and repeat until we have finished all of our creme brulee base. This recipe will give you about 6 ramekins. Then we are going to carefully transfer this into an oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and slowly pour hot water into the base of our pan. The water should move a quarter way up the side of the ramekins. This will help promote even cooking. Now these are going to bake for 20 to 30 minutes or until the center is jiggly but not watery. Once your creme brulee is cool enough to handle but still warm enough to eat, we are going to caramelize the top. You can use either granulated or turbinado sugar for this. Place a thin layer of your sugar and twist the ramekin a bit to get an even layer against the top of the custard. And begin to torch it by keeping your torch in one place and slowly moving the ramekin to dissolve every crystal of sugar. Repeat until you've caramelized all of your creme brulees and we can dig in. Okay, you guys, that is it for today's recipe. This creme brulee recipe is absolutely the perfect way to customize an amazing and classic dessert and make it perfect for the holidays. Plus, I'm pretty sure that NASA just confirmed that everyone does, in fact, love creme brulee. So saddle up, sweeties, because there are more holiday recipes coming your way. So make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Okay, I'm not taking it anymore after this bite.
Smash the like and subscribe button and comment down below of what you want me to do.